Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you the process step by step on how to buy Bitcoin on Venmo. So go ahead and open up Venmo, and then once you're here, come to the bottom and click on crypto, then select Bitcoin, and then at the bottom click on buy. So if this is the first time that you're buying crypto on Venmo, it's going to ask you to enter in some information about yourself before you buy. Once you click on continue and go through all of that, you'll be taken to this page where you can go ahead and buy your Bitcoin. So as an example, in this video, I'll select $1 worth, and then you'll be taken to this review page. So as you can see, I'm going to have a transaction fee for buying Bitcoin, and the size of that fee is going to depend on how much Bitcoin you buy. So for $1 worth, it's going to be a 49-cent fee, but let's say, for example, I want to instead get $50. You see that transaction fee is going to be $2. And if I buy $100, that transaction fee is going to be $2.49. All right, so I'm going to go back to $1 worth, and what you want to do next is at the top, choose your payment method, and then you can choose whether you want to buy with your Venmo balance, or if you've added a bank or debit card, you can go ahead and select that. At the bottom here, you can choose whether you want to get a notification when the price of Bitcoin moves up or down, and then once you're ready to buy, click on Buy Bitcoin. Once you click on that, you'll then see a confirmation page showing the amount of Bitcoin you bought, and then that Bitcoin will be immediately in your account. So that's pretty much it. If you want to transfer that Bitcoin into another external wallet, you can go ahead and watch the video on the screen right now.